back row of Falcon's flight. Oh, here we go, everybody. We're on the back row of Falcon's flight right now. We just got a front row, now we're getting a back.
Finally, back row, daytime ride, first time.
It is like golden hour right now. It is fucking beautiful out here. Oh, we're gonna lose our shit. We're gonna lose our shit. This ride is so good.
Hi. Hey, Mishi.
Mishi's over there. Oh, we're gonna launch like right now. Oh, this ride is so good. I can like, oh, turn it on. This is our 4th ride, 2nd of the morning or afternoon, I guess. It's golden hour in Qiddiya. Let's go! Oh my God! Oh my God. She's not excited, but we are. Incredible. Holy shit, dude.
After 2 minutes, she's like, all right, it's not that bad. The first 2 minutes.
The first half, too much. 155 miles an hour, she was good. She could do that.
That was a good dispatch. Ready? That one just cleared the lift already.
That was insane. What an unbelievable coaster, man.
My hair is...
I don't even know what mine looks like. I probably look like a demon.